Introduce highlight features or overview summary for keimi fuel transfer pump with Auto-Stop. Fueling your vehicle or equipment just got smarter, safer, and cleaner with this advanced electric fuel transfer pump designed for everyday convenience and efficiency. One of its standout features is the Auto-Stop sensor, which instantly cuts off the fuel flow as soon as the tank reaches full capacity. This intelligent function not only prevents dangerous and messy spills but also minimizes waste, making every refueling task smooth and stress-free. Whether you're filling up a car, motorcycle, lawnmower, tractor, generator, or even a yacht, you can trust the system to do the job without leaks or overflows. Equipped with a fast 3.2 GPM flow rate, this pump allows you to complete your refueling in just a fraction of the time compared to manual methods. It's a true time saver for busy households, workshops, farms, or anyone managing multiple pieces of equipment. Beyond its speed, the pump offers flexible power options. You can use 4 AA batteries for portable, everyday use, or 2 AA batteries in emergencies. If an outlet isn't nearby, simply plug the included USB cable into a power bank, car charger, or wall adapter to keep it running continuously. To ensure a secure fit for most common fuel containers, the pump includes 4 universal adapters, 2.0, 2.1, 2.75, 3.75 inches. This, combined with the extra long 51 inches hose, provides the reach and flexibility needed for efficient fueling without the risk of spilling. Its compact and portable design makes it ideal for on-the-go fueling, whether in garages, workshops, farms, or marinas. The lightweight build and included carry bag make it easy to store and transport wherever you need it. Whether for home, farm, or marine use, this electric fuel transfer pump is designed to make fueling faster, cleaner, and safer. No more messy spills, slow refills, or inconvenient setups, just efficient, intelligent fueling at your fingertips. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.